Good day, everyone, especially to our respective instructors. Sir Silagan, sir, good day. Today, we will discuss about capitalization. So, before we start to our discussion, let us first know the objectives of our topic. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the word capitalization, determine what is appropriate usage of capitalization, and know the rules of capitalization. Now, what is capitalization? I know that all of us are familiar with this term because when we are in elementary, capitalization is already applied in writing. So, when we say capitalization, it is the writing of a word with its first letter in uppercase and the remaining letters in lowercase. It is simply means using capital letter. When do we use capital letters? We learn when to use capital letters by simply following the capitalization rules. We are going to look at some of the most important so we can know when to capitalize letters and when to leave letter lowercase.
Here are the 6 capitalization rules. Number 1, always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. What does it mean? The first letter of the first word in a sentence is always capitalized. A sentence always begin with a capital letter. Example, you are the one who makes me happy. Thank you for watching the video. The author has finished writing his book. So, in these 3 examples, we can say that all sentences begin with a capital letter. The letter Y in sentence number 1 is written in a capital. The letter T in sentence number 2 written in a capital. The letter T in sentence number 3 is written in a capital. Number 2, capitalize proper nouns and names. When we say a proper noun, it is a specific name of person, place, or a things. The first letter of a proper noun are capitalized. Example, when we are going to write the name of a country like Philippines, Canada, India, Australia, we should always remember that in writing in a proper noun, it should be always begin with a capital letter. Another example, when we are going to write our name, it should begin with capital letter. Like my name, Leia May, Samantha, Roxanne, Marian, Ben, etc. Because our name is a proper noun. Number 3, always capitalize a person's first and last name, their title and initials. As what I've said earlier, when we are going to write our first name, it should always begin with a capital letter. The same as when we are going to write our last name, title and initials. Example, our family name, like Bisinga, Blasquez. It should always begin with a capital letter. The same as in title. It always capitalized title like Doctor, Mr., Mrs., and Miss. Number 4, the days of the week, months, and holidays always begin with a capital letter. Example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and so on. And holidays like Christmas, New Year, etc. All of I mentioned is always written in a capital. Number 5. The first word in the quotation mark is always capital. Example, my mother said, you need to go to the market today. In this example, we see that the first word in the quotation mark is capital because it is the rule of capitalization.
Number 6 rules. Pronoun I is always written in a capital letter. In this rule, I observed that some of the students have misconceptions, especially when writing a pronoun I in a sentence, because they write it in a small letter, which is wrong, because pronoun I should be always in a capital. In short, kung saan man nakalagay ang litrang I, nasa gitna man o nasa huli, it should be always in a capital. Example, I and my father are one. Am I not enough? In these examples, we see that pronoun I is written in a capital.
So, these are the 6 capitalization rules. Number 1, always capitalize the first letter in a sentence. Number 2, capitalize proper nouns and names. Number 3, capitalize a person first and last name, their title and initial. Number 4, the days of the weeks, months, and holidays always begin with a capital letter. Number 5, the first word in the quotation mark is always capital. Number 6, pronoun I is always written in a capital letter. Now, what is the importance of capitalization in technical writing? As a technical writer, who must often refer to such things as geographic locations, company names, temperature scales, and processes or apparatures named after people, you must learn to capitalize consistently and accurately.
And that's all for today. Thank you.